What the fuck? Dude. The fuck? What the fuck? Dude. What the fuck? Am I fucking dreaming? The fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh shit! Okay, seriously? I am fucking terrified. What? How is there how is there a fucking bird in my room? The fuck did you come from? Oh shit! Fucking flew at me. It literally just flew at me. I went to let it out and it fucking flew at me. I'm not even joking, right? This shit is serious. Oh my god. Please leave me. I am no threat to you. I am no fucking threat to you. Oh shit. This is my fucking life. Oh god damn it. I'm gonna have to get him out the fucking window there. I have to do something. Pray for me. Fucking pray for me! Okay. Alright. Okay. Please. No, come on. Let me just get you out. I'm just gonna open the door. Oh shit! Oh my god, get out. Oh my god. Imagine waking up and there's a fucking bat or bird, whatever the fuck that was, just looking at you in the eye. I don't need that shit in the morning. Don't do that.